Welcome back, people, to my channel. I hope you guys do have a good time enjoying my videos. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys two applications which you guys can win money from. This is day-to-day basis, so depending on what time or region you are in, you're allowed to win money just by answering a couple trivia questions. We're going to get into these two applications very soon, but I just wanted some facts about them. So these two applications are similar to live streaming, except these live streams do consist of gaining free money just by answering these couple questions.
Mozambique. Vasco da Gama? Correct for 10 points.
Now they do make the revenue by shouting out certain people or certain items or stuff like that. So that's how they make the revenue. For HQ, the application live, and there's a guy that does change the price almost every day depending on what days. It could be from 2,500 to 10,000, and it goes up and down. It's just really cool, guys. Also for the application Cash Show, which I will be showing you guys soon. It's actually a live stream, but it's pre-recorded, and $3,000 giveaways and other giveaways just for trivia questions. If you guys do win, you guys will have to share it with the other people who have won, because there are tons of people on here. They will divide it equally amongst you guys. So for Cash Show, you guys do need a minimum of $10 to cash out, and for HQ, you guys are allowed to cash out whenever you want. As soon as you guys win, you're allowed to cash out that money. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching this quick. Alright guys, without any further ado, let's get started with this video. Cool intro. Alright guys, switching over to iPhone cam. So basically what you're going to do is, these are the two applications, Cash Show and HQ. Download these in the link in the description, just click it and it'll send you straight to the App Store. So basically these applications go live every certain time. So like HQ, they go around 6 o'clock Pacific Standard Time, I'm pretty sure, and Cash Show goes around maybe twice, no, I think it goes 3 times a day, but HQ only goes 2 times. It's around 12 o'clock and 6 o'clock Pacific Standard Time. You guys can check in their settings as well. All they make you do is sign up with your name, and that's basically it until you win. Then that's when you put in your information. It's very simple, guys. All you have to do is download these applications. I haven't personally won any, but one of my teachers have. She won $20 just by doing these applications. They're little trivia games. All you have to do is answer simple questions and stuff like that. Just by doing that, you guys can win some simple money. It's actually easy. There's 12 questions on HQ, and there's a certain amount on Cash Show. Basically, if you get all 12 correct, you guys will be able to win your money. Now, let's say 20 people win, and the cash prize is 2,500. It will be divided equally amongst you guys. So that's all with that. Cash Show does the same thing, but Cash Show does give more money, and they do it more often. They do it 3 times a day, other than HQ. HQ, I like it better because it's live and it's a little more structured. HQ is more like a live stream. I don't know, I find it a little bit pre-recorded, but other than that, it's a really good application, guys. Both of these are applications. They're really good. If you guys click on them, you guys can tell the time. I'm actually about to play HQ because it's almost 6 o'clock. I'm going to win myself some money. If you guys want to win some money, download these applications. Alright guys, and if you did like this wallpaper in the background, that is also in the description. Click that. I leave these links just for you guys, just for your enjoyment. Thank you guys for watching this quick video. I hope you guys did enjoy. Please be sure to leave a like down below. I really need that, and also a subscription with the notifications on. Alright guys, thank you guys for listening to this YouTuber. We out. Soon.